Are you tired of recreating the same document layout every time you start a new project? You can save time and effort by creating a Word document template. So in this video, I will show you how to save a Word document template so you can easily reuse your favorite layouts for future projects. To get started, all what you need to do is open the document you want to save as a template. It can be an existing document or a newly created document. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this meeting minutes template I've created. Having opened the document, the next thing you want to do is head over to File. Then you go ahead and click on Save As. From here, you can choose the location you want to save your file. I'll just go ahead and click on Browse. And you see that it's trying to go to the Documents folder. That is my default location for saving documents. In here under file name, I give it whatever name I want. I'll enter meeting minutes template. Next, under Save As type, I drop down the arrow and I'm going to go ahead and choose Word template. And now you see that my document will try to save into a new folder called Custom Office Template. I'll leave it there, then I'll go ahead and click on Save. And now you see the name of my template right here. Now if I head over to the Custom Office Template folder, you see that I have my meeting minutes template right here. So that's it. Creating Word templates can save you valuable time and streamline your workflow. By following these simple steps, you can simply create and use templates in your Word documents. Now if you want to learn how to create this meeting minutes template document, I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. And if you want to create a similar document using Google Docs, then make sure you stick around to watch this video on your screen right now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.